Hi everyone, I'm Alex from Pixteller. Today I will show you how to make your own animation starting from an image template. In order to do this, I will go to My Designs, and I will choose and use a pre-made design. The full power of Pixteller is that I can use any pre-made image or animation design. By pressing the Use button, I can easily just replace some elements in design mode, go in animation mode, save, and render. As you can see, I'll make a quick test to see how fast it is. Once the editor is open, select the text elements and make the changes by writing another text message. Update the font size and family. You can also click on the background image and replace it with another one. If you want, you can select the big shape and replace it with something new. If your image looks great, now go to animation mode by pressing the canvas area top right corner button. Make a quick check that everything is fine by checking some animation frames, or just click the play animation button to have a short preview. If all is good, update your title and click Render and Save button. Once all is rendered, click the Download button to be redirected to the animation preview page. Now you can download the animation in video or GIF format, and it's ready to go viral. I'm Alex from Pixteller, and I really hope you enjoyed my video explainer. If you have questions regarding what we made, don't hesitate to contact me or one of my team via live chat or contact form directly on Pixteller.com. Until next time, please join Pixteller.com and create your own images, GIFs, and videos for your websites, banners, social media posts, mobile apps, business, and more. It's free. Register now on Pixteller.com. An easy-to-use presentation, banner, social media post, cover or poster video maker. No install required, and it's free.